Hi everyone, it's Benita here. So today I am going to record the submission card for Craft Roulette 311. That is just because I am not home for Monday, so I can go live. So that's why I'm recording a video for you instead. And I'm recording it on my birthday. The best way to celebrate. Parameters is a card with tag, aquarium colors, March is the element, and then random twists. So my thought is I took the stamps from Made to Surprise Shears A6 stamps and die set, and stamped birthday in peacock feathers. It's blue-green, so aquarium, I think. And then I just took a couple of Ohuhu markers and made a hashtag. So hashtag birthday is my sentiment, because it's tag. So hashtag, I think, could be proper. 6x6 double folded, top folded, I mean. Yeah, so 6x6 is that. And then I have a piece of 5 3/4 squared. That is a paper from Craft Consortium. It's the Happy Harvest. That is quite a few years old now, but that is going there. And then I just cut a circle. I just traced around my tape, roll of tape, and cut it out by hand, just for the, yeah, I was lazy, let's be honest. And then I took the tartan embossing folder from Made to Surprise. There, this is the one. I love that one. And I thought it looked a little living room salon ish, because the piece of resistance is this little Bridgerton inspired girl, and I colored her in teal and orange brownish colors, and I adore her. She's so cute. Yeah, so she's going there on top, and then the hashtag birthday is going somewhere. Yeah, or I will maybe have her up a bit, and then maybe like that. Or maybe I should have a black outline. Now my head is turning. Maybe I will do that. Well, I will take this and glue that down. So it's a pretty simple card from me this time. And yeah, just a video from me to this time, because I'm celebrating my birthday with my mom tonight when this is going up. So yeah, but at least you get something to watch. And then we'll take this one. And I think I will have it like and maybe she can be there, but I will glue this down, or maybe on foam. That's an idea. And I'm missing all the yelling and suggestions in the chat, but you can comment if you have other ideas for this card with the parameters I gave you, so I can read them afterwards. But I will just have a little frame around, and then I think I better cut it out with this one. I think that's the safest. And then I will take that one. This is always a struggle for me to get it right. But I think that's good enough. I'm sorry for the throwing of the scissors, but that's pretty good. And yep. Yep. And she's looking down on the sign. Yeah, that could be nice. And then I will find some bling. See if I have some half pearls that can be scattered on the white circle background. Light blue. This will be nice. Different kind of blue. And orange would be good. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, that's a little too light, maybe. So should be greenish blue there. That's a better match. And yeah, I think those 5 would be nice. Come on. I have a hard time to find the needle. So now just put that there and that there and 3 there and no, there. It's better. And there. And I colored this beautiful little Bridgerton girl with my Ohuhus, and then I took gel pen and just dotted pattern on the dress and the purse bag, or what you call it. Yeah, so this is my simple card for Craft Roulette 311. Yeah, hope you like it, and please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and the like button. You know the drill by now, but I really would love to have comments from you and see what you think. Yeah, so thank you so much, and see you Thursday on my live. Bye.